Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. If you're new to my channel, you're very warmly welcome. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can get all the further updates. If you already have subscribed, I'm sure you're already enjoying the wonderful projects over here. Today I'm here with another Thanksgiving special recipe. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a bread stuffing. That's the one of my favorite recipe and one of my favorite dish to eat on Thanksgiving. You can make this ahead, you can make this on a Thanksgiving day. It's a very easy and quicker, but still it's so flavored. So let's go ahead and start it our today recipe. Alright, so for making our bread stuffing for Thanksgiving, first of all you have to get prep stuff done. Chop your onions, chop your celery, chop your parsley, rosemary, thyme, basils. Get ready these things ahead, so when you're making this you are not stressing out, and you can do these things during the week. Just chop them and put them in a Ziploc bag, and that technique and tip always helped me a lot. So we're just gonna start preparing. Just heat up your pan. I'm taking this deep pan because I want when my bread pieces go inside, all things get marinated together. So we're gonna take like a large stick of butter, which is 7 to 8 tablespoons. You can take a unsalted butter or you can take a salted. If you are taking unsalted, we will add a salt, or if you are taking salted, then you no need to add much salt. All right, we will wait till it's get melted down. And as you can see, the butter is start completely melting. Now it's time to add our white onion into that. I have take like a medium size onion and just finely chopped it. It's up to you how much you like onions, how much you want to add it. I got like 1 full cup. We're just gonna saute our onion with the butter. And also I have a celery here, which is 1.5 stack, but in a recipe they say it's take 1 stack. So if you take a large 1 stack, that will give you like 1.5 maximum cup. All right, so now we just gonna saute them together until we see our celery is getting softened. All right, and also we are going to add chicken stock to make our veggies soften. Just use like a half, and if there's a needed more, we can add it more, because I don't want my stuffing gets so much soggy. So it's always good to make sure you are adding enough, not extra. All right, now we're just gonna wait till the veggies gotta boil and get softened, and after that we will add our herbs: thyme, parsley, rosemary, and basils. Just finely chop them, and with that we will add our salt, pepper, and dry ingredients. And as you can see, it's already boiling. So we're just gonna add our herbs. If you couldn't find fresh herbs, you can use a dry one, as I couldn't find basil leaves, so I just gonna use little dry one. These herbs, that's what gonna bring a nice smell and flavor to our stuffing. All right, and also with that we're gonna add some salt. You can add salt as you like, and with that we're just gonna add black pepper. Right, mix them together. I'm going to see if it's now, it still need a couple more boils, so we're gonna cover them again. All right, now it's time to add our basic ingredient, which is dry bread. You can buy from a store those dry bread pieces, or you can make your own, whatever way work for you. And we're just gonna see how nicely it's coming together. We have enough chicken broth, but if you want to make it more soggy, you can add more. If you want to keep it dry, then just leave like this. And if you're making ahead, and you seems like your stuffing is getting dry, just put a little bit more chicken broth into that and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. All right, we want they all get mixed together nicely. And now after this, the next step is we're just gonna transfer into the baking pan, and I will keep it cool down because I wanna take this on a Thanksgiving day. But if you are making this on a Thanksgiving day, just go ahead and put right away in oven. Put your oven on a 375 degree and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. So let's transfer our stuffing into baking pan. So I'm using this aluminum baking sheet, especially on a holiday season. These are very handy, especially they have a lid on top, so I can put all the leftovers, and just preheat in an oven, and they are easy to store in a refrigerator as well. So we're just gonna transfer our stuffing into this pan. Let me make sure. And I have kept some dry breadcrumbs, which I just gonna put on the top of this when I am putting this into oven. They will bring a very crispy top, which I like it. I personally like a dry stuffing because with the gravy, and other sauce, that's actually perfect combination. Okay. Now I just gonna sprinkle dry bread on top of this. Which gonna make our top crispy. That looks good. And if you want, you can just put little bit of, teaspoon chicken broth on top of that. So now I'm gonna put this into oven so I can show you the full finishing process. And as you can see, we have prepared beautifully classic yum recipe. If you really like our today's cooking episode, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. I wish you all very blessed, happy and safe Thanksgiving. Be blessed wherever you are. God bless you all and love you all. Bye bye.